How to enable or disable magnification, move with cursor while typing on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. After that, tap on vision enhancements. Now scroll down, then tap on magnification. From here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off, move with cursor while typing. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable it. Here it says move the magnify area as you type. This isn't supported in all apps. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.